There are apps that organize your calendar, filter your Microsoft Teams messages, and hook into other resources that use Azure's identity provider to authenticate to those other resources. But what happens when an app goes rogue? It becomes a rogue app or an app that impersonates something that you're familiar with in order to do something malicious. So let's set the stage here with an example of rogue apps. It starts with the end user at an organization, and let's say there's an application out there that the end user wants to use. Simple, right? I mean, it might look like a little calendar application that can organize your calendar invites or something. So you download the software, and to hook that software into your Azure tenants, you'll say, "Hello, I'd like to install this application." You consent to the permissions that it needs to access your calendar, and now it's inside. So you authenticate your identity and approve the app for a handful of permissions. At the end of the day, you authenticate in your local tenants, and through the magic of OAuth, the application now has a token that you can cash in for actual data. The app now gets to act on behalf of the user, so you now have OAuth consent permission, but unfortunately, you now also have a great system for exploitation. This is a classic tale of good apps gone bad, right? With rogue apps, we've defined two types of malicious apps. The first is traitorware, which are legitimate apps that are used badly, and perfect examples of OAuth application abuse in Microsoft 365. And the second is stealthware, which are unknown applications that are rare and have potent permissions. So these rogue apps are so powerful because an attacker can abuse them to persist in your environment and collect info, steal your mailbox, stage a business email compromise, or conduct a financial fraud attack. The options are really endless. And that is rogue apps.